Hello everyone and welcome back to Mathboltmaster. আৰম্ভ কৰো আমাৰ আজিৰ সেশনটো তো আজিৰ সেশনটো হ'ব এটা প্ৰেক্টিস সেশন আমি প্ৰাইম ফেক্টৰাইজেচনৰ ওপৰত অলৰেডি এটা ভিডিও চাই থৈছো তো তাৰে ওপৰত কেইটামান নিউমেৰিকেল প্ৰবলেম এতিয়া আমি সলভ কৰিম সো লেটস বিগিন First question, what is the prime factorization of 21? Eta 21 or prime factorization ki hobo. To prothomete ami ki koribo lagibo factor tree banabo lagibo. So 21 or jodi factor tree ami jano 21 to obviously 2 re divide na jay karon 21 hoise eta odd number. But ami next prime number jonto hoise 3 lo. 3 re jodi divide kori diu tenhole amar remainder thake question to hoise jabo 7. Ami jano 3 times 7 21. Eta jehetu 3 hoise eta prime number 7 no hoise prime number to ami kom yar prime factorization hobo 3 multiplied to 7 to duta prime factors ahibo 3 and 7 to yate ami likhibo lagibo ami yate likhibo lagibo 3 multiplied to 7 multiply to ami to verify korilo yes iti ami jao next question to loi 71 itia 71 prime factorization koribo lagibo itia 71 hoise eta prime number 71 hoise amar eta prime number na prime number hor karone etia here prime factorization same hitui thake 71 e thake right ami janu normal factors jodi ko 71 factors thake 1 aru 71 duta factor thake prime number but ami 1 to lobo noro prime factorization jeti ami lom prime factorization kora homo jekita factors lom hebur prime number hobole 1 to jehetu prime no hoy hekane ami only 71 consider koribo lagibo to tar mane amar answer hobo 71 fine iti ami jao next question to loi 91 is what is the prime factorization of 91 to tar mane ami 91 or factors buru labo lagibo iti ami jano 91 ok jodi ami first prime number divide koru 2 nejabo because 91 is a odd number 91 ako 3 re nejabo because 91 is not divisible by 3 next prime number to ami lom 5 5 re nejai because last two digit hoise 1 5 re divisible hobolo karone 5 plus 0 hobo lagibo 7 7 re jabone na yes 7 re jabo ami confirm korilo 7 1 is 7 minus kori dim to 9 minus 7 equal 2 aru e 1 tololo ahigol 1 equal 7 multiplied to 3 21 to tar mane 91 ok ami ki likhibo paru 7 multiplied to 13 likhibo paru to tar mane 7 hoi jabo eta prime number aru 13 hoi jabo another prime number to 91 hoi jabo equals to 7 into 13 to etue hoi jabo yar prime factorization to prime factorization ot ahibo 7 times 13 to yate ami likhibo lagibo 7 multiplied to 13 verify kori long ঠিক আছে এতিয়া আমি যাও next question লৈ What is the prime factorization of 7? 7 is a prime number. 7 prime number howa karone 7 divisible hobo 1 or 7 but 1 jehetu prime number nohoy to ami eta kol 7 e lobo lagibo to yate ami consider korim only 7 ঠিক আছে fine next 9 9 ki hobo 9 jodi lo 9 to 2 re divide ne jai but 3 re jaba to ami kobo paru 3 aru 3 3 times 3 9 equal to ta mane duta prime number multiply korile 3 and 3 9 pai jam to 3 9 equals to 3 times 3 jehetu 3 prime number hoy to ami kom your prime factorization ot hobo 3 times 3 fine next question what is the prime factorization of 31 31 ki hoy 31 prime number hoy ne nai yes 31 is a prime number jodi 31 prime number hoy tenole 31 hoy jabo yar prime factorization it is last question to loi 33 etia 33 to obviously prime number noy 33 to ami jano 3 multiplied to 11 hoy jay 33 3 hoise prime number 11 hoise prime number to yate ami likhi dim 3 multiplied to 11 etu hoy jabo amar prime factorization So, it was our session 2 on prime factorization. So, see you in the next session. Thank you.